basically on this matter. Because if you can trace the root cause of this agitation, is because of the popular marginalization, injustice against Nnamdi, against the southeastern people since 1966 till today, and that is why they are agitating concerning this issue. So we believe that the federal government, led by President Muhammad Buhari, should understand the need for political solution to make sure that they settle this thing and release him, so that this issue can be discussed within a roundtable. Nigeria is deeply wounded. Nigeria today is like a ship hit by tornado, and I believe that the government needs to understand the signals and the signs in this country to go into the line of peace, justice, and equity, to make sure that this case they remove it outside the court. Because we have said that we don't want to care who is wrong and who is right, because basically you cannot judge it on that basis. Because we, the Igbo youth, we cannot accept that you want to jail our brother. We cannot accept that he's guilty or no guilty. We don't want to care about that. What we want to know, there is something that led to this agitation, and those issues that led to this agitation must to be addressed first. It is very, very important and very, very fundamental. So, on behalf of Hanese Youth Council, on behalf of the Igbo youth will cover 13 states of Igbo extraction, and that is South, and the Southeast, and not the two states in the North Central. That is the Benue people and Kogi people. Because today, even our Assistant National Secretary of Hanese Youth Council is from Benue. Our ex-official is also from Kogi State of Igbo extraction. So what the Igbo youth are demanding today is unconditional release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Is very, very important. That is our demand, and that is the only solution to solve this problem. This problem cannot solve in judiciary. This problem cannot solve in any court. That is our position.